Hello friends, in this video we will show you how to change the front glass and touch change of any kind of iPad. We will give you complete detail that how to remove front glass, how to change complete front glass with the help of many kinds of machines, separator. You will see in this video. Let's see and start the video. Now we check the iPad that all other things like LCD display and camera, all other things are working perfect or not. If your touch is working okay, LCD is okay, then we change only front glass. Now you see the front glass broken, open it and open the iPad carefully. Slowly we put the nails and the blade. We will do this work very carefully because if the LCD is damaged, then all your money go waste. You need to put new LCD. So we need to do this work very carefully. Only expert technician can do this work. You cannot do that at home. You see the LCD is open slowly, very slowly. With the help of blade, little bit LCD is open. You see the gap between LCD and the iPad. With the help of heater blade, we will remove that. You see the LCD is open. Now we open the screw to open the flex of the LCD. There is two flex connected with the motherboard. You see the LCD is open successfully. Now we open the LCD glass or touch with the help of LCD separator and cutting wire. With the help of separator and cutting wire, we open the glass and separate the glass from the LCD. Now check LCD again that working okay or not. You can see the touch is working fine. After that we clean the gum from the LCD. After cleaning the LCD, we will paste the glass in pressing machine. Very carefully. We put the LCD in the machine. Now press the button to start the machine. You see the LCD. Now we check the LCD again, that working fine or not. There is some bubbles with the LCD. You see the LCD is working fine. After that we will put the LCD into the bubble remover to remove some bubbles. There are some bubbles on the LCDs. Now we put the LCD into the bubble remover. After 10 minutes the all bubbles will be removed. You see the LCD.